So since I'm not going to Seoul, it's official, pretty much not going this year. We're gonna postpone it for next year, but I was waiting to have a big shop, clothes shop mostly, over in Seoul, but now since that's not happening, this will suffice. Look at that. I'll try it on anyway. Next one does need a bit of an iron. I like how soft it is. Next one is a sweatshirt dress. Cute. This one is a dress, so it's like that on the top, and it's pretty long and there's slits on the side. Oh, that's so pretty, but I'm like, might be a little bit big on the waist. This one I was really excited about. It's more cream in person. I thought it was white, but I probably didn't read it properly. Like that. It looks white on screen, but it's actually cream in person. It's really pretty. It's gorgeous. Next is another dress. It's a t-shirt dress. Next thing, wow, they really folded this nicely. Stretchy. It's supposed to be off the shoulder, but I'll try to wear it like this. And the last one, you can't even see it, but it's like a sheer blouse. Right, so this is the dress. It needs to be taken out. Look how like it's shapeless. It's also a lot longer than I thought it would be, but I'll have to take it out like maybe. Does that look better? I think it's my hair. My hair needs to be styled, but I don't know how to style it. Like a ponytail looks a bit better. I don't know. The sleeves are way more puffy than I thought they would be. Like it looks okay. I think with this belt, no, it's my hair as well, I think. I don't know how to style it to make it look better, but it just makes my shoulders look really big, which I don't really like. I'm gonna try it with another belt. I have a adjustable one. I think this looks better, but it's the sleeves. They really shouldn't have gathered the sleeve. It's too big. It's too big for me. So I think this one might work in my favor more, but my hips, it's like clinging to my hips. I think the length is okay. That looks better. This works too. It's a win. I'll let it stay. Right, so it definitely needs an iron because the collar is like, if I do this. Nastygal, are you okay? Do you need some help? Like, not with these pants and belt. It needs an iron. I'm confused. What's it supposed to be like? I also feel very warm in this. Like, a bit too warm. And it's itchy. The seams here, itchy. Nastygal, I gave you hope and you have failed me on most of these stuff. Like, I should have just not shopped on Nastygal. I'm not going to anymore because everything is just a fail, honestly, in my opinion. For me, this is a win, but it keeps, I don't want it like that. I want it like this. Like, I'm gonna have to put like some safety pins to keep it up. And keeping it though, it's still really cute. Like, okay, so I do like this top. It's not scratchy. It's actually comfortable. The sleeves are long enough for me to go like this, and they reach my wrist basically. So I'm keeping this t-shirt dress and this pink dress and the belt, and I don't think I'm going to keep the shirt. The green top is way too small, and the sweater dress.